Good morning to you all. Today I wish to discuss the 50 multiple choice questions with answers based on Rule 14 and Rule 16 of the Central Civil Service Classification, Control and Appeal Rule 1965, which govern disciplinary action and penalties for central government employees. Please go through the official documents if you having a contradiction with the answers of the 50 MCQ questions. These questions are very important for the examination of teachers, principal, AC of KVS, NVS and Delhi. Question number 1. What is the rule 14 of CCS CCA rule related to A. Suspension, B. Minor penalties, C. Major penalties and inquiry procedure, D. Transfer procedure? Correct answer is C. Major penalties and inquiry procedure is mandatory under Rule 14 of CCS CCA rule. Question number 2. Which of the following is considered a major penalty under Rule 14? A. Censure, B. Withholding of increment, C. Dismissal from service, D. Warning. The correct answer is C. Dismissal from service is a major penalty under Rule 14. Third, under Rule 14, an inquiry must be conducted if penalty is A. Censure, B. Removal from service, C. Warning, D. Transfer. The correct answer is B. Removal from service. Question number 4. Who appoints the inquiry officer under Rule 14? The options are A. Employees, immediate supervisor, B. Appointing authority, C. Competent and disciplinary authority, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Competent disciplinary authority may appoint the inquiry officer under Rule 14. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a major penalty under Rule 14? Options are A. Dismissal from service, B. Reduction to lower rank, C. Suspension, D. Compulsory retirement. The correct answer is C. Suspension. Suspension is not a major penalty under Rule 14. Question number 6. Which authority has a power to impose major penalty under Rule 14? Options are A. Disciplinary authority, B. Inquiry officer, C. President of India, D. High Court. The correct answer is A. Disciplinary authority may impose a major penalty under Rule 14. Question number 7. A government servant may be dismissed only after options are A. An inquiry under Rule 14, B. A warning letter, C. A show cause notice, D. Verbal instruction from the authority. The correct answer is A. An inquiry under Rule 14. So after the inquiry under Rule 14, a government servant may be dismissed from the service. Question number 8. Under Rule 14, the charged employee is allowed to present a defense through A. Oral representation only, B. Written statement only, C. Both written and oral representation, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Both written and oral representation. Question number 9. How many witnesses can be called by the inquiry officer during an inquiry under Rule 14? Options are A. As many as necessary, B. Maximum of 2, C. Minimum of 3, D. No witness is allowed. The correct answer is A. As many as necessary. Question number 10. The charged employee must receive the inquiry report under Rule 14 before. Options are A. Imposing of any penalty, B. Starting an inquiry, C. Suspension, D. Retirement. The correct answer is A. Imposition of any penalty. Question number 11. An inquiry officer is required to submit an inquiry report to the options are A. Charge officer, B. President, C. Disciplinary authority, D. Court. The correct answer is C. Disciplinary authority. Inquiry officer must required to submit the inquiry report to the disciplinary authority. Question number 12. In Rule 14 proceeding, if the charge officer is absent, the inquiry can options are A. Be adjourned indefinitely, B. Be conducted ex parte, C. Be suspended, D. Be transferred to another department. The correct answer is B. Inquiry may be conducted ex parte if the charge officer is absent. Question number 13. Who represent the government in Rule 14 inquiries? Options are A. The disciplinary authority, B. The presenting officers, C. The inquiry officer, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. The presenting officer represent the government under Rule 14 inquiry. Question number 14. The charge officer in the Rule 14 inquiry can cross-examine. Options are A. All witness, B. Only the government witness, C. No witness, D. Only the inquiry officer. So correct answer is A. All witness. Question number 15. A charge officer in Rule 14 inquiry may engage a defense assistant who must be. Options are A. Lawyer, B. A serving government employee, C. A retired officer, D. Any person from the public. The correct answer is B. A serving government employee. Question number 16. The question number 16. Which of the following penalties require an inquiry under Rule 14? Options are A. Censure, B. Suspension, C. Compulsory retirement, D. Recovery from the pay. The correct answer is C. Compulsory retirement. In compulsory retirement, under Rule 14, an inquiry is must. Question number 17. Can the inquiry officer recommend penalties under Rule 14? Options are A. Yes, B. No. Correct answer is B. No. Inquiry officer duty is to inquire the matter, but he cannot recommend the penalties under Rule 14. Question number 18. The disciplinary authority can modify the findings of the inquiry officer after. Options are A. Obtaining written consent from the charge officer, B. Recording reason for disagreement, C. Approval from higher authorities, D. Never. So correct answer is B. Recording reasons for disagreement. Question number 19. The inquiry process under Rule 14 can be initiated by. Options are A. Any employee, B. Disciplinary authority, C. Subordinate officer, D. High Court. The correct answer is B. Disciplinary authority under Rule 14 can initiate inquiry process. Question number 20. Can a Rule 14 inquiry be dropped after it has been initiated? Options are A. Yes, if the charges are found to be groundless, B. No, once initiated it must continue, C. Only after an interim report is submitted, D. Only with the court's permission. The correct answer is A. Yes, if the charges are found to be groundless, then inquiry may be dropped. Question number 21. These are under Rule 16, procedure for minor penalties. 21. What is the Rule 16 related to? Options are A. Major penalties, B. Minor penalties, C. Retirement benefits, D. Transfer rules. The correct answer is B. Minor penalties. Question number 22. Which of the following is considered a minor penalty under Rule 16? Options are A. Dismissal, B. Censure, C. Removal from service, D. Suspension. The correct answer is B. Censure. Question number 23. In Rule 16, which penalty involves a temporary reduction in the employee's pay? Options are A. Censure, B. Withholding of increment, C. Dismissal, D. Removal. The correct answer is B. Withholding of increments. Question number 24. An inquiry is mandatory under Rule 16 when the penalty involves. Options are A. Censure, B. Recovery from pay, C. Suspension, D. No inquiry is mandatory. The correct answer is D. No inquiry is mandatory under Rule 16. Question number 25. Can a government servant be suspended under Rule 16? Options are A. Yes, as a major penalty, B. No, C. Only after approval from higher authority, D. Only with the court approval. The correct answer is no. No government servant is suspended under Rule 16. Government servant may be suspended under Rule 14 only. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a major penalty under Rule 16? Options are A. Censure, B. Reduction to a lower stage in a time scale of pay, C. Compulsory retirement, D. Withholding of promotion. The correct answer is C. Compulsory retirement. Question number 27. Can a disciplinary authority impose minor penalty under Rule 16 without forming an inquiry? Options are A. Yes, B. No. So your answer is yes. Question number 28. Before imposing a minor penalty under Rule 16, the employee must be given. Options are A. An oral hearing, B. A show cause notice, C. A suspension order, D. An interim order. Correct answer is B. A show cause notice. Question number 29. An explanation may be submitted by an employee under Rule 16 is considered by. Options are A. Inquiry officer, B. Disciplinary authority, C. The presenting officer, D. President. The correct answer is B. Disciplinary authority. Question number 30. Under Rule 16, the penalties can include recovery from options are A. Gratuity, B. Leave balance, C. Pay, D. Provident fund. The correct answer is C. Pay. Question number 31. Under Rule 16, can employee challenge the minor penalty in the court? Options are A. Yes, B. No. So your correct answer is yes. Question number 32. Can a minor penalty under Rule 16 affect future promotion? Options are A. Yes, B. No. Your correct answer is A. Yes. Question number 33. Which authority can impose minor penalty under Rule 16? Options are A. Appointing authority, B. President, C. Disciplinary authority, D. Prime Minister. The correct answer is C. The disciplinary authority may impose minor penalty under Rule 16. Question number 34. Under Rule 16, censure is considered as a options are A. Major penalty, B. Minor penalty, C. Temporary penalty, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Minor penalty. Question number 35. A written statement of defense is required in Rule 16 if the employee wants to A. Admit guilt, B. Deny charges, C. Request for inquiry, D. Appeal. The correct answer is B. Deny charges. 36. Which documents is crucial for imposition of a minor penalty under Rule 16? Options are A. Charge sheet, B. Show cause notice, C. Suspension order, D. Pay slip. The correct answer is B. Show cause notice. Question number 37. Under Rule 16, penalties can be imposed without a full inquiry if options are A. The employee accepts the charge, B. The charges are serious, C. The court orders so, D. The disciplinary authority finds sufficient evidence. The correct answer is A. The employee accepts the charge. Question number 38. The penalty of withholding increment under Rule 16 affects options A. Present salary, B. Future pay raises, C. Pension, D. Retirement benefits. The correct answer is B. Future pay raises. The question number 39. Rule 16 is used when misconduct A. Options are A. Warrants a minor penalty, B. Requires dismissal, C. Involves suspension, D. Requires an inquiry. The correct answer is A. Warrants a minor penalty. Under Rule 16, only minor penalty may be imposed. Question number 40. The penalties under Rule 16 must be confirmed by options A. Inquiry officer, B. the appointing authority, C, the disciplinary authority, D, the Ministry of Personnel. The correct answer is C, disciplinary authority. Question number 41. A government servant under Rule 16 must submit their defense within options A 7 days, B 14 days, C 30 days, D no specific time limit. The correct answer is B 14 days. Question number 42. What happens if the employee fails to submit a reply to the so-called notice under Rule 16? Options A, the charges are dropped. B, the penalty is imposed based on available records. Option C, the case is referred to higher authorities. Option D, the employee is automatically suspended. The correct answer is B, penalty is imposed based on available records. Question number 43. Can Rule 16 penalty be challenged in departmental appeal? Options are A, yes, B, no. Correct answer is yes. Question number 44. The minor penalty of censure impacts an employee's options A, pay, B, promotion prospects, C, retirement benefits, D, gratuity. The correct answer is B, promotion prospects. Question number 45. If the employee denies the charges under Rule 16, the authority may options A, drop charges, B, conduct an inquiry, C, increase the penalty, D, seek legal advice. Correct answer is B, conduct an inquiry. Question number 46. A charge officer under Rule 16 can appeal to the options A, disciplinary authority, B, appellate authority, C, inquiry officer, D, ministry. The correct answer is B, appellate authority. Question number 47. Under Rule 16, the withholding of promotion is for option A, definite period, option B, an indefinite period, option C, until retirement, and option D, until the next inquiry. The correct answer is A, definite period. Question number 48. Which of the following can be imposed as a minor penalty under Rule 16? Options A is recovery from pay, B, suspension, C, removal from service, D, transfer. The correct answer is A, recovery from pay. Question number 49. The minor penalty of censure is recorded in options A, service book, option B, annual confidential report, option C, personal file, option D, court record. The correct answer is A, service book. Question number 50. The penalty of withholding increment under Rule 16 affects option A, retirement benefits, option B, current pay, option C, future promotion, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, future promotion. These questions cover important aspect of Rule 14, major penalties and inquiry procedure, and Rule 16, minor penalties as they apply to the central government employees under Central Civil Service Classification, Control and Appeal Rule 1965. Please verify your answer in case of any doubts. I have discussed the 50 important questions that are related to your service rules. Please go through this video. If you like it, please send this video to more and more employees to know the penalties under Rule 14 and under Rule 16. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and send it to maximum employees so that they may know the conditions of the Rule 14 and Rule 16 applications. In case of any doubt, you may verify from the records of the rules. CCS CCA conduct rule. Thank you all.